buddy, we're here today at the unveiling of Maruti Suzuki's latest, well, they're calling it an all-new breed of SUVs, which is the Grand Vitara. Now, this one is available in two variants, the Smart Hybrid and the Smart Intelligent Electric Hybrid. So let's talk about everything that the Smart Intelligent Hybrid has to offer. We have to begin with the design of the SUV. I mean, seriously, when I look at it, I find it absolutely sharp. It has an amazing road presence. The design is a winner. For me, of course, it has this really bold, huge grille in the front with three separate LED DRL headlamps. You find the same at the rear as well. It has a very strong exterior, which makes for a very sharp road presence, I'm sure. When you see it from the side, you can see the bolt stance and the shoulder lines that run all across the car very smoothly. This one sits on a 17-inch precision cut alloy wheels, and one of the USPs is the masculine wheel arch. Although again, I still wish it would have been 18 or 19 inches, but then again, the overall appearance of the car, especially from the side, is amazing. You've got these roof rails, you've got Shark Fin antenna, you've got a panoramic sunroof. So Maruti is really bringing in the premium here. Let's look at it from the rear. The rear is also extremely sharp. You see the LED tail lamps, which looks really nice. You've got a really sharp and bold exterior. You've got a Grand Vitara badging in the center, right under the Suzuki badge. And of course, the Smart Hybrid badging right here. You've got skid plate, front and rear, so that is nice. And the spoiler here. This is a SUV, so let's not miss the boot space in it. It's pretty decent. I'll get to numbers when I actually get to drive this one. You've got all basic SUV facilities here, your hooks for tailing and everything. Alright, so when I look at it from the second row, it is pretty spacious, but for two people, I'm not sure if three people will be extremely comfortable in the car. But then you have three separate headrests and an armrest with two cup holders. The interiors are pretty premium. I really like the leatherette upholstery in it. It's very tastefully done. You see black and I think wine color, dual color. So it's pretty nice. You've got ISOFIX seat clamps for safety. And you've got two charging points here. One is a fast charge C-type and USB. Then you've got two AC air vents here, seat pockets. On the door, the upholstery, this is all hard plastic. So this is nice, not as premium as other competition, but it's pretty nice. Again, the upholstery, I like the upholstery on the door as well. It's very tastefully done with this thread work here. You can see two lights, ambient. This has ambient lighting to lift up your mood, so that is also pretty cool. Also, you have enough space on the door panel to keep your knickknacks, especially a 1 liter bottle would be pretty comfortable to keep. Also, the view from the panoramic sunroof is always a delight. Now let's look at it from the driving seat. That's where the fun is. So this is the first look of the interiors of the all-new Grand Vitara. I mean, they are positioning it as super premium, but I'm not very sure. This is all hard plastic. Having said that, I really like the upholstery. This is all leatherette. It's very tastefully done, especially the stitching, and the seats are sculpted seats, so they're going to be pretty comfortable, I'm assuming. Again, the upholstery, I love the color combination here. It's ventilated seats, so they seem to be pretty comfortable. Armrest, this is also leatherette. It's a small box here for armrest. Two cup holders here. The upgrade is the wireless charging station right here. This is again hard plastic. The upholstery is really nice here. You've got glossy finish on the door panel where you have controls of your windows and everything. The steering wheel could have been much better because the competition is bringing so much premiumness that I think it is getting a little difficult for Maruti to catch up. But again, it beats all odds when you actually drive it and when it comes to the practicality on road. So I will keep giving that to Maruti. So coming back to steering, it is not as amazing as I was expecting, but then it does the job pretty well, I think. It's got steering mounted controls right here. This is the manual transmission. You get 5-speed manual, 6-speed automatic, the eCVT. So on eCVT you get pedal shifters as well. This doesn't have, this is the manual version. You get 4 driving modes, although I want to talk a lot about the engine, but then again, this is just the unveiling. More when I actually get to drive it. Back to the driving mode, you get lock, snow, sport, EV. You can just take this car wherever you want to. This is for the adventure enthusiasts, of course. The other tech upgrades are the 19-inch infotainment Smart Play Pro system that Maruti calls it. This is obviously Apple and Android Connect both. You can connect your phone with Bluetooth, and then you get all the basic information of the vehicle, your music, your range, your average kilometer, FM, everything else that you get. The touch is also pretty decent, so there are no complaints here. You get an added space to keep your glasses here, so this is premium. Mirror on both sides. It's nice. What is new and nice is all these lights in the front and the back. Okay. Then the console is also pretty nice. Okay, let's look at the glove box. It's spacious, but not as much, but the look is pretty premium. When it comes to safety, it has 6 airbags, it has ESP, hill hold control. The other important safety feature is the 360-degree camera. Very essential. I think no car should miss that now. Now, Maruti is famous for fuel efficiency, so the company says this can give somewhere around 27.95, which is pretty nice, right? And now the another feature to look at is the cluster behind it, which is 7 inches. You've got your analog, which gives all the basic information, your drive, your auto, your range, your fuel efficiency, and how much drive time is left, which is very important. So you don't really have the range anxiety. Plus, this can go up to 1200 kilometers with one top-up fuel tank. How amazing is that? But then again, these are all specs. Have to ride it to know more. The other essential feature on this car is the all-terrain tires, which can take you on the snow, off-roading, tarmac, wherever you want to go. You want to go to Ladakh, so this car can fulfill all your adventure needs. The Grand Vitara checks most of the boxes for me. To begin with, the design, it is absolutely stunning. You get the latest technology. Your safety is taken care of. Space, not so much, but the smart, intelligent hybrid technology has gotten me. Plus, the fuel mileage is just amazing. You do not have to worry about a lot of things that you need to be on the road. Plus, it is a Maruti brand, so service is not a problem.